The iPhone 16 series is finally here, and it's not just another upgrade. It's a revolution in your pocket. From groundbreaking camera tech to lightning-fast performance, this might just be Apple's biggest leap forward yet. So, should you make the switch? Stay tuned as we dive into why the iPhone 16 series is the most compelling iPhone to date, and why it could be the perfect addition to your tech arsenal. Introduction. Apple has always set the bar high with every new iPhone release, but the iPhone 16 series takes it to an entirely new level. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone simply looking for a reliable smartphone, the iPhone 16 series has something for everyone. In this video, I'll break down the key reasons why you should seriously consider upgrading to the iPhone 16 series and how it stands out from its predecessors. Number 1. Stunning new design. Let's start with the design. Apple has refined the aesthetics of the iPhone 16 series, offering a sleek and premium look while making it even lighter and more durable. The titanium frame not only adds a futuristic vibe, but also improves the phone's resistance to drops and daily wear. Plus, with the ultra-thin bezel and edge-to-edge display, the iPhone 16 feels like you're holding the future right in your hand. And if you're someone who appreciates vibrant colors and smooth visuals, the new ProMotion OLED display is going to blow you away. It delivers brighter colors, sharper contrast, and buttery smooth transitions with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Watching videos, gaming, or just scrolling through social media has never looked this good. Number 2. Revolutionary camera system. But the real magic of the iPhone 16 series lies in its camera. Apple has completely reimagined what's possible with smartphone photography. The 48-megapixel main sensor, paired with the improved 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, makes this the most powerful camera system on any iPhone to date. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or close-up portraits, the level of detail and clarity is simply unmatched. And for those who love taking videos, the iPhone 16 introduces Cinematic Mode 2.0, which allows you to shoot videos that feel like Hollywood productions. Apple's AI-driven smart framing feature adjusts your shots in real time, ensuring your subject is always perfectly centered and in focus. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker or just want to capture memories in the highest quality, this camera is the game changer. Number 3. Unmatched performance with the A18 chip. Now let's talk performance. At the heart of the iPhone 16 series is the all-new A18 Bionic Chip. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap forward. Apple's A18 chip delivers up to 40% faster performance compared to the previous generation, making multitasking, gaming, and content creation smoother than ever. It's like having a mini supercomputer in your pocket. Whether you're running graphics-heavy apps, editing 4K videos, or playing the latest mobile games, the A18 chip handles it all effortlessly. And with its 30% boost in power efficiency, you can enjoy all this performance without worrying about your battery life running out midway through the day. Number 4. Next-level connectivity, 5G and Wi-Fi 7. With the iPhone 16 series, Apple has also future-proofed your connectivity. Thanks to enhanced 5G capabilities and support for Wi-Fi 7, you'll experience lightning-fast downloads, seamless streaming, and incredibly low latency for gaming and video calls. No more frustrating buffering or slow speeds. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, the iPhone 16 has you covered. Number 5. Bigger battery, faster charging. Speaking of battery life, this is where the iPhone 16 series shines. Apple has equipped it with a larger battery that gives you up to 20% more usage time compared to the iPhone 15. Whether you're working, gaming, or streaming, this phone will keep up with your lifestyle. And when you do need to charge, you won't have to wait long. With Apple's new 45W fast charging, you can go from 0 to 50% in just 25 minutes. That's right, quick charges for those busy days when you're constantly on the move. Number 6. Privacy and security at its best. Now, let's talk about something we all care about: privacy and security. The iPhone 16 series doubles down on protecting your personal data. Face ID is now faster and works at more angles, even in low light conditions. Plus, Apple's upgraded Secure Enclave ensures that your personal information stays just that, personal. In a world where privacy is constantly under threat, the iPhone 16 series is one of the most secure smartphones you can own. Why you should buy the iPhone 16? So why should you buy the iPhone 16 series? It's simple. It's not just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation of what a smartphone can do. Whether you're into photography, need top-notch performance, or value the latest in tech innovation, the iPhone 16 delivers on all fronts. It's designed to enhance every aspect of your digital life, and with its future-proof connectivity and powerful features, it's an investment that will serve you for years to come. If you're looking for a smartphone that's as powerful as it is beautiful, the iPhone 16 series is the one to go for. Don't wait too long. Apple's biggest leap forward is already in high demand. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the iPhone 16 series and found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets. Let me know in the comments if you're planning to upgrade or if you have any questions about the iPhone 16 series. Until next time, stay tuned for more tech insights. Did you know there's a mysterious city that sank beneath the waves, never to be seen again? Yep, I'm talking about Atlantis. Legend says it was a powerful, advanced civilization, but one day, boom, it vanished, swallowed by the ocean. But was Atlantis real or just a myth? Some believe it was based on real places like Santorini, which was destroyed by a volcanic eruption. Others say it's just a story made up by the philosopher Plato to teach lessons about pride and power. So, what do you think? Lost city or just an ancient legend? Let me know.